all of you.
Yes, sir. And I
Okay.
was like saying, sir, you are not audible. I thought you were audible to others and you are not audible to me.
No,
I
no.
was
I
saying, sir,
think
you
I
are
think
not audible.
you were just loud saying loudly that, right? So
Yes,
that I
sir.
could hear you. I'm
Yes,
sorry.
sir.
I'm really
I thought
sorry.
you were talking. I thought you were talking to others, not me.
No, no. I was saying, and I was trying to convey the message that I'm not able to hear you people. So please have a little patience till I fix my speaker. There was a little problem with the speaker, but now it is okay. I can hear you clearly.
Okay,
How can you
sir.
hear? We are not speaking, then how can you hear, sir?
Sorry, sir.
We are silent, sir, then how can you hear, sir?
No, means I can hear the
Okay,
one
okay.
whoever is speaking.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can only hear Mrs. Veer.
Yes, whoever.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So we were doing the review exercise, right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Up to question number second, it has already been done.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Only first question has done.
Okay, only first question has been done. Second is supposed to be done today, right?
Yes, yes,
But
sir. Right.
before I start, I must say that uh, I should share the screen to all of you. Right?
Right, sir.
Now, can you see the screen? Rajesh sir, good evening. Gunjan,
Good evening,
Sanaya,
sir. Good evening.
Yes,
Tejasva,
yes, sir.
Rajnandini, Mrs. Veer, and
Good evening.
Prakash sir. Good evening to all of you. And
You
uh,
didn't call my name.
yes, Mrs. Veer, I said. I said Mrs. Veer.
Okay. Oh, sorry, sir.
I think you were just more attentive in listening to others' name. That's why you couldn't listen to your own name being called by me.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, are you people ready for the question number two?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, in every sentence, more than one
Yes,
phrase
sir.
or at least two phrases or words are given. You'll have to just cross out the incorrect one, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, work in a school or an office, or work
Work
in
in
a
a
receptionist.
receptionist.
Work in an
Work
office.
in a receptionist, sir.
Work in a receptionist.
This is
Work
incorrect,
in
sir.
an
Yeah,
office
this
as a
is
receptionist.
incorrect. This is incorrect. Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. What about the second one? Work as a journalist, or work as yourself, or work as a waiter? Which
Work
is
as
correct?
your
Work as a
work as
journalist.
yourself.
Work as yourself, right?
Work as your
Work as yourself is right. It is means it is answer
Wrong.
because it is
Incorrect.
incorrect. It is incorrect because it is
Yes.
incorrect. This is correct because this is incorrect.
Yes.
Uh, I want everybody to be active. And third, work for an office, work for a TV company, or work for a charity. Which one is correct?
Work for a
Work
work
for
for
a
a
charity.
charity.
Work for a
Work for
charity
an
is
office.
correct, but it is not the correct answer.
Work for an office.
Work for an office
work
Yeah,
for an
work for
office.
an office is
is
correct
Incorrect.
because it is incorrect.
incorrect. Yes.
Okay.
It is a correct answer because this is incorrect phrase, right? And what you have to do, you have to choose the incorrect phrase from the given
But sir,
phrases, right?
sir, usually we work for an office, no?
No, 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 no. We work in an office, Mrs. Veer.
Work
We
in an
work
office.
in an office. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Question number fourth. Work with children, work with unemployed people, or work with a department store. Which is correct?
Work, work for a
Work
departmental
with
store.
a department
Work
store.
with
Departmental
the
store.
work with the
Yes, that
departmental
is
store.
That is
completely
incorrect.
incorrect, and that's why
Correct.
this is a correct answer, right?
Right, sir.
Yes.
It is very, very, what should I say? Strange type of combination. It is correct because it is incorrect, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Mhm. I hope the class is being recorded. So what to do in the second B? Work in pairs. Use the phrases in second A and ask questions about the people your partner knows. Okay. So let me make the partners first. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Mrs. Veer and Abhishek first partner pair.
Okay, sir.
So Mrs. Veer will ask question and Abhishek will answer.
Okay, sir.
Please, Mrs. Veer. I think I should bring it a little down. You'll have to use
I
the
have
phrases
hard
from the
copy, sir.
second A. You have the you have got it printed. Amazing.
Yes, sir.
Amazing. Great. Okay, Mrs. Veer, go ahead, please.
Hi, Abhishek.
Yes, miss. Yes, ma'am.
Uh, do you ever work for an office?
Mm,
Work in an office, sorry.
no, I didn't. I do not.
Do, okay. Do you know anyone who work in an office?
Yes, my friend, one of my friend is working on office.
Mhm.
Abhishek, you are not audible yet.
Abhishek,
One of my friend is working office.
one of my friend works in an office.
Oh,
Works in office.
Works in an office. See, Abhishek
Works
has
in
a
an
very
office.
good knowledge of English, but when he speaks, he makes mistakes. Why? Because he is not in habit of speaking, and he is not in habit of taking care of the sentences when he speaks. For that, for this, as a solution for this problem, he needs to speak more. He needs to practice more, because he has already learned these things. He knows these things. Okay, Mrs. Veer, continue. Please continue with your questions, Mrs. Veer.
yes. Um, do you know any journalist?
No, I don't know any journalist.
Okay. So, mm, would you like to work with the children?
Yes, if I get chance, I will work.
What will you do for children?
Uh, I can teach them
Okay. Up to what standard you can teach children?
uh, up to eight standard.
Okay. That's sufficient, sir?
Okay. Okay, very good, Mrs. Veer, very good. And Abhishek, you
Thank
also did well. Okay. And now Manya will ask questions to Rajesh sir.
Okay, sir.
Manya,
Yes, sir.
yes, you have to ask questions using the phrases in the question number second A. Okay, to Rajesh sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, please take care of the tenses, Manya, because you make very many mistakes in tenses and blunders in tenses. So please be aware. Okay, my dear.
Sir, I have a
Okay,
question.
sir.
Yes, Abhishek, please.
Sir, work as yourself means, sir?
It is not correct. I think you did not read the instruction given. Cross out the incorrect words or phrases. That is the thing given. This is the question. In second A, the question is cross out the incorrect words or incorrect phrases. So work as yourself is an incorrect phrase. Okay, and that's why this is the answer to the question number second of second A. Did you understand, Abhishek?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay, very good, dear. Yes, Manya, are you ready to ask questions to Rajesh sir?
Yes, sir.
Rajesh sir, are you ready to answer Manya?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Of
sir.
course, sir. Rajesh sir, you are not. Your voice is not clear, sir. It is very low.
Yes,
It is
sir.
very.
Yes, sir.
Now it is better. We can hear it. Manya, please start. Manya, please start.
Sir, do you work in a school?
No, I never worked in a school.
Okay. Um,
You should keep continue. You should keep asking questions. Manya, there are many other phrases that you can ask questions with.
do
Hello, Mania. Is there any problem of network on your side?
Yes, sir. Sir, I asked question, sir.
No, I think nobody could hear you. So please repeat your question.
Yes, sir. Please repeat.
Do you work with your children?
Yes, I played with my children. I play with
See,
my children.
yeah, work with somebody means do something professionally with somebody here.
Yes, yes.
I think Mania is not taking the words or the phrases in the right context.
Yes, sir.
I think Mania, you don't study at home the things in the app. Sorry, Mania is just not being given chance because he is not prepared well. So I'm giving Abhishek a chance to ask questions to Rajesh sir if he is ready or if he is prepared. There is no point in attending the class if you don't study at home.
Okay, sir, I'm ready.
Okay, Abhishek, ask questions to Rajesh sir.
Sir, I joined late, but which one is correct in the first one?
Okay, Abhishek, study at home. I would rather suggest. Is there anybody who is ready or who is prepared, who studied at home?
Yes, sir. I sir.
Prakash sir.
I'm
Okay, sir.
ready.
Prakash sir will ask questions to Rajesh sir.
Yes, sir. Rajesh, sir, have you ever
But
worked
before
in a
Prakash sir starts, I would like to give a strict reminder to all the learners. Please study at home. Go through the lessons given in the app so that you may have some material and content to talk about in the classroom. Only coming to the class and going away is not going to give you any return. It will be futile, completely useless and worthless. It will not give you any fruits. Abhishek is disappointing me time and again. Mania is disappointing me time and again. Sanaya has just started working. Gunjan has always
Yes, sir.
disappointed.
Sir, my question is.
Prakash sir. Prakash sir. Please.
Rajesh, sir, have you ever worked in an office?
Yes, sir. I had worked in a financial office.
Have you ever worked as a journalist?
No, sir.
Good. Very good, sir. Very good, sir.
Have you ever worked as a Have you ever worked for a TV company?
No, sir. I never worked for a TV company.
Good, sir. Prakash sir, you are doing very good job.
Have
And
you ever
Rajesh sir,
worked
you are
with
responding equally well.
Have you ever worked with unemployed people?
Yes, sir. I worked. I had. I worked for unemployed people to give him loans when I was in a financial company.
Okay, very good.
So these are the four questions.
Very good, sir. You asked good questions. Okay, Rajesh sir, are you ready to ask questions to somebody? Then I will assign
Yes,
you the
sir.
partner. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
Rajesh sir will ask questions to Rajnandani. Rajnandani, are you ready to give the answers?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
So my first question is to Rajanandani. Have you ever worked as a receptionist?
No, sir, I never worked as a receptionist.
Very good.
Uh, do you work as a journalist?
No, sir, I does not work. Sorry, I do not work as a journalist.
Good.
Have you ever worked for a charity?
Sir, repeat question.
Have you ever worked for charity?
No, I never work as for a charity.
Have you ever worked for work with children?
Good.
I work with my sister.
Here work means not ghar ka kaam or any other thing. Here work means doing something professionally, as a job, as a profession, as a vocation. Here work means something professional. Like I work with the students because I teach them. Okay.
Right.
I work with unemployed people. I prepare them for the employment. I prepare them for competitive examinations through which they can get some employment in government sector.
But
Did you
sir,
understand?
but sir,
Here
you
in
teach
this,
them now.
yes, yes. Then I work with them. I prepare
Is
them.
it
I work.
a work?
Yes, of course it is a work. आप लोग नाउ आई एम फोर्स टू स्पीक हिंदी. आप लोग वर्क का मतलब क्या समझते हैं? घर में यदि किसी के साथ आप घर साफ कर रहे हैं तो ये
No,
वर्क है.
no.
तो यहाँ पर
No,
वर्क का मतलब कोई
Professionally work,
प्रोफेशनल
sir.
काम.
Work in a office, sir. Work in any
Yeah, I'm not.
office.
Yes, yes. I'm not working in any office, in any institute. I'm teaching students, so I'm working with them. I'm working
Yes.
with them for their employment. I'm working with unemployed people also, because there are many unemployed people in my classes who are aspiring to get some government sector jobs, and I'm preparing them. I'm preparing them for those examinations. So I am working for them also. I'm working with them also, and I'm working for them also. क्या दुविधा क्या है हिंदी में पूछिए. नहीं, दिस ओके इज नॉट वेरी सेटिस्फैक्टरी ओके. क्या आप समझते हैं वो बोलिए, ताकि हम आपके कंफ्यूजन को दूर कर सके.
No, sir. I was just want to clear that work with the unemployed is like how?
I'm
You
working
clarify
with
the thing, sir.
yes, I'm working with unemployed people for their employment. Okay, because I'm preparing them. I'm preparing them for some competitive examinations through which they will get some employment in the government sector, right?
Right, sir.
Okay. And if anybody is running an orphanage, you understand, anathalaya. If somebody is running an orphanage, he is working for children. He is not working with children. He is working for children. But a teacher works with children and works for children also. A teacher works with children because he teaches them. He makes them. He tries to make them a good citizen, and he is working for them because he is doing something for their betterment, to make their life more, what should I say, acceptable socially. He is teaching them a lot of things.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, working for or working with both are same or no?
बेटा अभी इतना देर से हम एक्सप्लेन क्या कर रहे थे?
Yes.
अभी हम इतना देर से बोल क्या रहे थे? That's why I'm compelled to speak Hindi. Huh? Listen to me once again. I'm gonna explain all the things in Hindi itself. Now, यदि हम बोलते हैं कि वर्क विथ चिल्ड्रन, तो एक टीचर वर्क विथ चिल्ड्रन करता है क्योंकि वो बच्चों को पढ़ा रहा होता है, बच्चों में क्वालिटीज डाल रहा होता है, इसके लिए वो बच्चों के साथ काम करता है मिलके, राइट. लेकिन जो अनाथालय चला रहा होता है बच्चों के साथ मिलके नहीं करता है, वो बच्चों के लिए कुछ कर रहा है. अनाथालय चलाने वाला वो जगह जगह से चैरिटी लाता है, रिसोर्सेज इकट्ठा करता है, ताकि अनाथालय में पलने वाले बच्चों के लिए वो एक अच्छी ज़िंदगी का अरेंजमेंट कर सके, एक अच्छे लाइफ का अरेंजमेंट कर सके. देन ही इज़ वर्किंग फॉर चिल्ड्रन. अब टीचर वर्क विथ चिल्ड्रन तो कर रहा है, क्या वो वर्क फॉर चिल्ड्रन कर रहा है कि नहीं? बिल्कुल कर रहा है. ही इज़ वर्किंग फॉर चिल्ड्रन. क्यों? क्योंकि वो जो कुछ भी कर रहा है वो बच्चों के बेहतरी के लिए कर रहा है, उनके लाइफ को बेटर बनाने के लिए कर रहा है. तो ही इज़ वर्किंग विथ चिल्ड्रन. अ टीचर इज़ वर्किंग विथ चिल्ड्रन एंड ही इज़ वर्किंग फॉर चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो. मेरी बात समझ में आई सभी लोगों को? वर्क विथ और वर्क फॉर का क्लियर डिफरेंस समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
तो आप अभी अभिषेक क्या कर रहे थे जब हम इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन कर रहे थे? इंग्लिश में नहीं समझे थे या ध्यान कहीं और था? आई वांट दिस क्लैरिफिकेशन नाउ, बिकॉज दैट विल बी अ गाइडेंस टू मी वेदर आई शुड एक्सप्लेन द थिंग्स फर्दर इन इंग्लिश और शुड आई कम टू हिंदी व्हेन इट कम्स टू एक्सप्लेनिंग द थिंग्स. हिंदी में पूछ रहे हैं कि आप कर क्या रहे थे, हमको क्लियर जवाब दीजिए. ये मेरे लिए गाइडेंस होगा कि आगे से चीज़ों को हम एक्सप्लेन इंग्लिश में करें कि हिंदी में करें.
It's better to explain it in English, sir.
It is your opinion, sir, but Rajesh, Abhishek had got
Yes,
some
my
problem.
opinion. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But Abhishek had got some problem, because when I finished explaining everything, then he asked what is the difference. Exactly the same question that I explained. That's why I'm asking him the question. Abhishek?
सर अभी मैं रास्ते में था, दौड़ते हुए क्लास ज्वाइन किया, अभी लेट हो गया था इसी काम, तो इसलिए थोड़ा सा अभी
अच्छा अच्छा,
पूरा फोकस
ठीक है। तो
रहेगा।
यही बात हम समझना चाह रहे थे कि मेरे इंग्लिश से प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन करने से, या फिर फोकस का इशू। फोकस का इशू है तो टेम्पररी है, ठीक है। जब आप सही माहौल में रहेंगे देन यू विल बी फोकस्ड। एम आई राइट एवरीबॉडी?
यस यस।
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
Was it
Yes,
important
yes,
for me to
Right.
know or not? Was it important for me to know or not? What was the reason or not? The reason behind not understanding the
Important,
things
sir.
that I was. Yeah, it was important for me.
It's important, sir.
Yes, of course. That's why I asked, Abhishek. And you must explain me the reasons. Otherwise, I'll be sulking inside. Sulk inside माने अंदर अंदर कूदते रहना कि I'm explaining and people are not getting. Why so? Whether I'm not explaining in a good way or they are not focusing it. So you need to. If I'm not explaining in a good way, I'll have to improve my, what should I say, lingual abilities.
What is
I'm-
availability, sir?
भाषा को उपयोग करने की क्षमता.
Okay.
I'm talking all these things in a light mood now. Earlier I was not. Simply. जानना ज़रूरी इसलिए है ताकि हमको पता चल सके कि क्या हम अंग्रेजी में एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं इसलिए प्रॉब्लम है, तो अगला बार से हम हिंदी में ही एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, ठीक है। एफर्ट ही नहीं डालेंगे। और अगर नहीं फोकस का इशू है तो फिर ठीक है, आप अपना मेहनत कीजिए, आपके साइड से है, आप फोकस कीजिए। ओके, कमिंग टू द पॉइंट।
Even focus issue.
Yes, I could not hear you, sir. Sorry for that.
I think it is focus issue, not the understanding issue.
Okay, sir. Now I think who is gonna ask Mrs. Veer a questions? Mrs. Veer. Who will ask Mrs. Veer questions? Sanaya, are you ready to ask questions? Are you prepared, Sanaya?
Yes, sir.
Are you really prepared, Sanaya? Yes or no? Are you prepared enough to ask questions, relevant questions to Mrs. Veer?
No, sir.
Tejas, are you prepared enough?
Yes, sir.
Please ask Mrs. Veer questions. And you'll have to use the phrases given in the question number 2A. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Have you ever worked for an office?
No, I never worked for an office. It's
Have you ever
incorrect, I
worked-
think.
Okay.
Just it's correct.
I think Tejas is also not prepared. He did not listen to what we did a little before. Is it correct to use work for an office, Tejas?
No, sir. Work in an office.
तो बेटा कर क्या रहे थे अभी थोड़ा देर पहले जब हम लोग इसी क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस कर रहे थे, सॉल्व कर रहे थे, तो तुम कर क्या रहे थे?
ध्यान से नहीं देखे तो वर्क फॉर निकल गया।
Then नहीं बेटा, ये I am not ready to listen to any excuses. Okay, the course is going ahead, and you need to be with the course. You can't afford to stay behind, stay back. Okay, continue.
Have you worked as a journalist?
No, I never worked as a journalist.
Have you ever worked with children?
Yeah, I work with children.
What kind of work you have do for the children?
No, what
I
kind of
told
work
them.
do you do? What kind of work do you do, beta?
What kind of work do you do for the children?
I taught them.
Have you ever worked with unemployed people?
No, I never worked with unemployed.
Have you ever worked as a waiter?
Good
No.
question. And she can never work as a waiter, Tejas. She can work as a waitress. She can work as a waitress. She can never work as a waiter even if she wants.
I don't
Anyways.
want, sir.
It was just a joke, Mrs. Veer.
Yes, sir, I know, sir.
Who else
Have
is
you-
ready to ask questions? Okay, Tejas, we want to
Sir.
continue with more questions, please.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, please, Abhishek.
Sir, Veer ma'am said I taught them. Sir,
Yeah.
I taught them is correct, or I teach them.
Because she is talking about the past. She does not teach anymore in the present. Okay.
Okay.
Before she joined the job in the court, she used to teach earlier. Okay, that's why she used the second form of the verb, my dear.
Sir, I have a confusion.
Yeah, please ask me.
Sir, in the first sentence and the third sentence, there is written work in an office and work for an office.
Yes, yes.
I said work for an office where I was wrong.
अभी तुम सामने रहते तो एक थप्पड़ हम लगाते तुमको. समझ रहे हो तुम? हाँ?
Sir, online.
What is instruction written above? Cross out the incorrect words and phrases.
Give slap on online, sir.
बताइए सर, कितना पुअर कंसंट्रेशन है. हाउ पुअर कंसंट्रेशन. वी डिस्कस्ड द सेकंड ए क्वेश्चन. क्रॉस आउट द इनकरेक्ट वर्ड्स एंड फ्रेजेस. मीन इन ऑल द ग्रुप्स देयर आर सम करेक्ट फ्रेजेस एंड वन इनकरेक्ट फ्रेज.
Yes, sir.
हाँ? तो बेटा जिसमें जिसमें वर्क इन एन ऑफिस लिखा वो करेक्ट है, जिसमें वर्क फॉर एन ऑफिस लिखा वो इनकरेक्ट है. वही आंसर था उसमें. कहाँ इन बच्चों का ध्यान होता है. ये गवर्नमेंट जॉब के लिए, गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर के लिए एस्पायर कर रहे हैं. माफ करना ये बात बोलने के लिए. अगर हम इंटरव्यू पैनल में रह गए तो हम तो एकदम एक बार में रिजेक्ट कर देंगे सीधा सीधा. आप रिटर्न में कितना नंबर लेके आओ, डज नॉट मेक एनी डिफरेंस टू मी, बिकॉज दैट इज द थिंग दैट यू कैन मग अप. But so far as focus, concentration, presence of mind, these things are concerned, these things are going to be your weapon in your job. In whatever department you are going to join, it doesn't make any difference. A person must have all these things. And I can't be very mild in these regards. Please go ahead, Tejasu.
Have you ever worked for a charity?
That is a good correct question.
For a job.
My question is completed.
Your question is done. Okay, who else is ready to ask the questions in the correct relevance, in the correct context? No one else?
Yes, sir.
Gunjan.
Question again.
May I try, sir?
Yes, of course, sir. You will be given chance, but because Gunjan has raised her hand, that's why she will
Okay,
be
sir.
given the chance first. Okay? After that. Gunjan,
Yes, sir.
please. And I give you the liberty to choose your partner. Whom do you want to ask, Gunjan?
Sir, I can also raise my hand, sir.
Okay, then after some time will also be given a chance. No issue. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Gunjan first. Gunjan, whom do you want to ask
Yes,
questions?
sir. Yes, sir. Rajesh, sir.
Where is the, sir,
Yes, sir.
where is the provision for raising hand, sir?
There is no prevalence, but she raised her voice first. See, Prakash sir is asking you where is the key, where is the
Sir,
facility to raise hands. Yes. Yes, Rajesh sir wanna say something, please, sir.
sir, you have Prakash, sir. You have. Yes, sir. I want to say something to Prakash, sir.
Yeah,
Because
please.
his video is on, then he can easily raise his hand. Raise his
Yeah.
hand.
Great, sir. Rajesh sir, I am just clapping for you. Rajesh sir, I am just clapping for you for your presence of mind. For your presence of mind, I am clapping for you, Rajesh sir.
Yes, sir.
I
Very easy.
I
Your
can
video is
raise,
on.
I can raise hand, but how can Manya raise?
अमेजिंग अमेजिंग. एंड हम एक चीज क्लैरिफाई करना चाहते हैं कि यंगर एज के जितने लर्नर्स हैं उनको और ज्यादा अलर्ट होने की जरूरत है क्योंकि वो ज्यादा जवान हैं.
We are not old, sir.
हम जान रहे थे कि किसी ना किसी का तो रिएक्शन आएगा. राजेश सर, आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग इट फ्रॉम मिसेस वीर. आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग इट फ्रॉम मिसेस वीर.
Why, sir, we are not old.
बट हम देखिए थोड़ा तो अलर्ट होना पड़ेगा. गुंजन, प्लीज स्टार्ट.
Yes, sir.
Exactly, sir.
Sir, my question is from Rajesh, sir.
यस.
Yes, sir. Please.
Have you ever worked as an accountant?
वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन.
I'm sorry.
Have you ever worked as an accountant?
Yes. Worked as an accountant in bank.
यस, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड.
In which bank, sir, do you ever work?
I have worked in Bank of India.
Okay. Sir, sir, have you ever worked in a MNC?
No, no, I never work for MNC.
Rajesh sir, can you hear? Mhm. Good question and very good answer, sir. Very good answer. Very practical answer. All of us work for ourselves every day, right? Mm-hmm. Gunjan. Great question. Have you ever worked with teenagers? Mhm. And my students were the greatest beneficient of that. And not only education loans, and he provided thousands of our students bank accounts without any frill. Yes, sir. Thousands of our students, yes, no frill accounts, and thousands of our students, and most of them were my students who got benefited. And thank you, sir, Rajesh sir, for that. But it was a great favor to the students and to me also. Yes, he did. Unemployment loan. Yeah. Very good questions, Gunjan. A few moments ago, I said that you have disappointed me, but asking these questions, you just belied me. Belie, B-E-L-I-E. Belie means झूठला देना. L-I-E. B-E-L-I-E. Belie means झूठला देना. Belie means झूठला देना. Am I visible to all of you? Am I visible to all of you?
No,
Yes.
now you
Am
are
I
visible.
visible now? Am I visible now?
Board is visible, sir.
After last
Yes, sir. Now
sir,
you're
Yes, sir.
you are
You
invisible.
are visible.
Okay.
Then I said, give her
Okay.
question.
And am I visible now? No. Thank you. That's why I asked whether I am visible or not. Yeah, I am coming and going. At the moment also, I think I am somewhere in the corner. You're, I'm not visible to you. Okay. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Oh my God. Mrs. Veer.
English meaning of मन की आंखों में था.
Uh,
Ma'am, actually, I have spent about 3 years with Sony, sir.
yes, of course, we have spent together a long time.
Long time, sir.
Yeah, C with mind size. C with mind size.
Meaning, sir?
SEEC means देखना. WIT with. And mind, MIND apostrophe S. Minds, eyes, EYES. Eyes.
Okay.
Yeah. It has nothing special. Means it is common word. Means word translation. Word for word translation. Okay. Who else is ready now after listening to so many questions from so many people? Okay, Manya. Okay, Manya. Okay, Manya. Okay,
Sir,
after
my
that,
question is
whom do you
from
want to? Uh-huh.
Prakash sir.
Prakash sir, please.
Have you ever worked in Patna?
I worked in Patna in 2006-7.
Have you ever worked with your wife?
No, she has independent business, a school. I never worked with her.
Great.
Have
I
you
know, sir,
ever worked
you
in a
daily.
court?
Sorry.
What did you ask question? Have you?
Have you ever worked in a court?
Yes, I regularly work in a court.
Yeah, you could
Have
simply
you
say, sir,
ever
I am an
worked under
advocate.
pressure? Have you ever worked under pressure?
Yes, it's a normal work for an advocate. We always work in a pressure, under pressure.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, my question is over.
Your question is over. Okay, Manya. You asked good questions. Who else is ready to ask questions? Prakash sir wants to take another chance.
Yes, sir.
Of course, sir. To whom do you want to ask, sir?
Yes, Rajesh, sir.
Rajesh sir again.
Yes, yes, sir.
Nobody is calling my name.
I was just asking that question. Why not Mr. Veer?
Okay, who will ask questions to Mrs. Veer today? Who's gonna ask questions to Mrs. Veer today? Who's gonna ask questions to Mrs. Veer today? Who's gonna ask
They're
questions to
hard luck,
Mrs.
sir.
Veer?
They're hard luck, sir. They're hard luck.
They are hard luck. Yes, of course. Amazing. Uh,
She feels scared today, sir.
who feels scared, sir?
I'm not caring. I'm jealous.
Number of person choosing Mr. Rajesh. So Mr. Veer
Yes,
is
yes, yes, sir.
Yes. Rajesh sir has taken my place.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure.
Yeah, nice.
What?
Okay, Mr. Veer.
Take my place?
You can also take.
Uh,
Yes, Mr. Rajesh.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you
Are
can
you working in a
please, sir.
Manya?
You can ask Mrs. Veer.
I can ask Mrs. Veer.
Yes.
No, I'm
Okay.
not gonna answer yours question. I will answer only sir's question. Listen to us. I'm angry with all of you.
Why, ma'am?
Because everybody is willing to ask questions to Rajesh sir, but not Mrs. Veer today. That's why she is feeling
Yes.
jealous of Mr. Rajesh now. Rajesh sir, it's a good news for you. You are becoming more popular.
Popular, sir, but employment is not there here, sir.
Amazing, amazing. Means every day at
Working
least
cancelled.
every day at least one time Mr. Rajesh talks about his unemployment.
Because, sir, I am looking for employment. I'm looking for employment.
Okay, now my questions to everybody. My questions
Yes,
to
sir.
everybody. Okay,
Yes, sir.
have you ever worked as an assistant in your field with anybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
A lot of places I have worked as an assistant in my bank, sir.
Okay,
A lot of
and
places.
okay, and how long, sir? How long, sir?
Very long, sir. Very long.
Okay, for years.
Actually, for so many years, sir.
For so many years. And who was the best boss according to you among
My
them?
first boss, when I was posted in Delhi, sir,
Mhm.
my first boss was a lady. Today, actually, आज तक मुझे वो नाम याद है.
I still
her
remember
name
her
was
name. I still
Deepak Ghani.
remember her
That is
name.
Bhabhi.
I still
still-
remember.
Sir,
Yes,
Where
yes.
is
I still
Bhabhi ji?
remember her name.
Where is Bhabiji?
Her name was Deepa Gadi, sir. Deepa Gadi.
Mrs. Veer.
Yes, sir.
Now he has hit sixer now by recalling her name. And Mrs.
That's why
Veer,
I
have you
asked
ever
where is
worked as
Bhabhi?
an assistant?
No, sir. I never worked as an assistant, sir.
Okay. So
But I worked as a receptionist, sir.
But sir,
you
I would like to mention here,
yes, yes.
sir, कि when you work as assistant, you know a lot of things.
You learn a lot of things. You
You
learn
know a
a lot
lot
of
of things from your boss.
yes, yes, from your boss. If the boss is of good nature, and even if the boss is of bad nature, he teaches you a lot of things. How to handle and how to tackle a bad
Abhi,
tempered or ill
yes,
tempered person, right?
Right, sir. Absolutely right.
yes,
Okay.
sir. When you become a boss,
Okay.
when you become a boss, then it is very useful
Easy,
in your
and
field, sir.
easy for you to handle your subordinates
Yes, sir.
because of the things that you have learned when you were an assistant, right, sir?
Yes,
Actually,
sir.
this
Now
is a question.
this is a
Very
question
good
I'm gonna
question, sir.
ask especially to the youngsters here. Okay, have you ever worked as a
Yes, sir.
monitor? Have you ever worked as a monitor in the class? Mrs. Veer said
No,
yes.
I have been a
No,
monitor.
sir.
My
yes,
question
sir.
is to the youngsters, Mrs. Veer. Okay, have you ever?
Yes.
Who am I? Who am I, sir? Who am I,
Okay,
sir?
Yes, sir.
you are neither among the
I
older ones. You are neither among the youngsters.
Who you, sir? Who told you? I count myself
What
as a
was
youngster.
Okay,
what
okay,
was
okay,
the
okay. This
right
is a
what
question
was
to
the right
everybody.
word,
This
sir?
is a question to everybody. Uh,
What was
should
the
I say
right
this
word,
time?
sir?
Should I say this time? Should I say this time?
See, you should use the right word. Neither senior, neither junior. What was the right word, sir?
Middle ranged.
Maybe right word.
Middle ranged.
Middle ranged. It's your
Yes,
word, sir. You forming it, sir.
sir. Actually, there is no such word for that. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir.
Hmm. Middle aged is there. Middle aged is like I am. I'm neither young nor very old. I'm middle aged
Yes, sir.
person. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
My question is to all. In your student life, have you ever worked as a monitor in your class?
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir. I
Yes, I
worked,
did.
sir.
Yes, I did.
Okay, okay. Now, next question is, would you like to share some good experience that you had when you were working or when you worked as a monitor in your class?
Yeah, sir. I would
Please,
like to share, sir.
please, Mrs. V.
Sir, in my 10th standard, sir, SST teacher was very strict, sir. And I was the monitor, sir. She never asked any question to me, and she beat all the students, sir, in front of me, and I was just enjoying their.
So you mean to say that you took some undue advantage of being the monitor of the class, right?
Yes, right, sir.
I,
I always enjoyed, sir. I always enjoy.
Okay,
I,
and
I like,
And
just
yeah,
like her, I have also an experience, sir,
yeah,
but
please, sir.
little bit different.
Please, sir.
Yes, sir. In class 6 or 7,
Mm-hmm,
I was a monitor in a school,
mm-hmm,
and my teacher asked me for a stick, and I brought that one stick,
mm-hmm.
and he has started beating students who was not replying his question, and
Okay.
among them I was also there. So I was also getting my sticks.
I think most of us have taken some wrong advantages, undue advantages of being monitored in the class, right? I think so.
Yes, 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 sir.
Huh?
right, sir.
So, will anybody else share his or her experience as a monitor when he or she was a monitor in her class or his class? Nobody else. Abhishek, Rajnandini, Sanaya, Tejashwa.
Yes, sir. Our,
I think they
our,
were never a monitor.
I have a memory, sir.
Yeah, please, sir. Please, sir.
Actually, there was in 90, at that time, I think Mahabharat was started.
Okay.
Yes. And my colleague told to my father that I was watching Mahabharat in someone house,
Hmm.
and he was beaten me very badly, and
Oh.
I was monitoring in the classroom. So I told my teacher he is doing so wrong things, and he was beaten by my teacher too.
Okay. Okay. Very nice. My next question again to all of you. Are you ready for my next question?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Okay. So, do you know anybody? Do you know anybody who has worked as a maid or servant in your house and has progressed a lot later in his life or her life?
What is the
No,
last part of
sir.
the question?
Okay. Sanaya said no.
Sir, repeat question, please.
Okay, Mrs. Veer wants me to repeat the question. Let me repeat the question for all of you once again. Do you know anybody who has worked as a maid or as a servant in your house, or in any house in any house nearby you, and has progressed a lot in his or her life later on, and has become equally rich or prosperous as you people are?
Oh, no, sir.
No, sir. But sir, I know Narendra
Please.
Modi, sir.
How can you say this? How can you say this?
But Narendra
He
Modi,
said that.
Mr. Narendra Modi never worked as a servant anywhere. He worked as a staff.
He was a tea
He
seller.
he worked as a staff, and he used to work in the tea stall of his own father. So there he was not a staff or a servant, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
He worked in a RSS officer in Delhi.
Yes, of course, sir.
He worked in RSS in Delhi,
Okay.
and he worked a lot of things. You can say like servant, झाड़ू लगाना, बर्तन साफ करना, खाना बनाना.
He was
He
just
has
a
done a
member.
lot
He
of
was
things,
just
sir.
he was just a member, sir. He was not a servant there. He was a member,
No,
and was the
no,
duty.
servant. Servant
Yeah,
is
it was the
servant is
duty
not
of
a
each
good.
and every member. Okay,
Yes, sir.
according to
He
the
worked for the
regulations of the
organization.
RSS. Have you ever?
He worked.
Okay, sir. Have you also been associated with RSS, Rajesh sir?
Directly, no, sir. I would
Directly.
like to, but sir, I follow RSS, sir.
Okay, you follow
I follow
RSS.
the principle of RSS.
Okay, you follow the principles and ideals of RSS. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay.
When I was in the childhood,
I know some
I was a
students.
member, sir.
Very good. Very good. Okay,
I
it's a question.
Is
My
another
my
example,
next
sir.
question to all of you. My next question to all of you. Are you ready? This is going to be the last question from my side, and this is going to be the last question for the day today. Okay, for the day also. So,
Yes,
are
sir.
you ready for
Yes,
the
sir.
next question, guys?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Please ask question.
Sorry, sir.
Please ask question. We are ready.
Okay. Uh, have you ever worked as an assistant to your wife or to your sister in the kitchen?
Is
Yes,
this
sir.
question for 10 crore rupees? Sir?
So many times, sir. So many times.
Rajesh
On
sir
daily
has
basis.
worked. Every day you do
Yes,
so.
sir.
Every day you do so.
Every day I
Abhishek
worked
also.
as an
Abhishek also
assistant.
does so. Abhishek also does so.
Sir, I
When
also.
Okay,
when my
Sanaya also
mother
does.
was ill, I will
I
do
also, sir.
Sometime
Okay.
I help
as
my
a,
wife.
I will work as
Okay.
an assistant with my sister.
Okay, very good. But Rajnandani is silent, Manya is silent, Tejas is silent. Mrs. Veer, Mrs. Veer never gets any chance to work as an assistant. She is always in the leading role in the kitchen. Right, Mrs. Veer?
Right, sir.
And
But
does
my
your husband,
husband assists me,
does
sir.
your, yes, the same question I wanted to ask you. Does your husband ever comes to the kitchen as your assistant and helps you? Then you said yes, right?
But sir, he never helped me, sir. He helped me by cooking his own food.
Okay, this is the greatest help. This is the greatest help because she gives you some relaxation. She relieves you from cooking food for him.
Yeah, sometimes, sir. I also
So
assist him in his office work.
did you people enjoy my questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
much.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I do.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Very good.
Yes, I do.
So I hope all of you enjoyed today's class also, and you learned a few things and you practiced a few things that you have already learned in the previous lessons, right?
Right,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, I want all of you to be a little more sincere, means especially the youngsters, okay? They need to study at least
Um,
30 minutes at home sincerely, and at least the lessons they should revise at home before coming to the class, so that they may have some idea what to do, what to say. Okay, that is gonna be very useful and beneficial for you guys. Okay, must must be ready, must be prepared when you enter the class. I must say goodbye and good night to all of you. Take good care of yourselves and be alert, because corona is on a spread. The second
Sir,
this new strain of corona is more dangerous because it is dodging the RT-PCR test also. So please follow social distancing and use mask, and hand sanitizing is means required demand of the hour. So please be alert, take good care of yourselves.
yes.
Does anybody want to say
Good
anything?
night, sir.
Good night
sir,
everybody. Good night
No,
Ajay sir,
sir.
Prakash sir, Mrs. Veer, Sanaya,
sir, I have a
Manya.
question, sir.
Yeah, please Abhishek, please Abhishek. Abhishek has
Very
got some question. Abhishek has got some
Sir,
question. Yes, Abhishek.
sir, sometimes I didn't find the chapters. Uh,
There
sir,
is no
where I
point,
will
there is
find.
no point in asking these things in the class here itself. When I'm asking you to work harder and to be sincere, you could have asked me, made me a call right then when you did not find any lesson, when you did not find anything in the app, when you faced any issue in the app. You should have made me a call right then and should have consulted me and asked me about those things, so that I'm getting some problem. But when I'm telling you to work sincerely and you are this time telling, then this is not gonna give some positive impression. So Abhishek made me a call after the class is over, and definitely I'll sort out your problem. Okay, dear?
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Good
Good
night
night, sir.
everybody.
Good night.
Good night
much,
everybody.
sir.
Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night.